Collecting customer feedback shouldn't require a complicated workflow, especially for a common workflow like sending surveys after the closed Zendesk tickets. So, let me show you how easy and quick you can set it up with our NPS and Survey app. First, let's create a new survey. Give it a name and choose your survey type. I will use a 5-star rating to measure CSAT. Next, customize the survey. You can edit here any text, create multiple language versions, and add follow-up questions. I have already configured mine with the question, how would you rate our support team? After that, adjust the appearance by adding the logo and matching the colors to your brand. On the next step, you can automate the survey sending. Here's the Quick Start tab where you can select the pre-made option for trigger when ticket is closed. Enter your email subject and if you would like, add a short message about the survey. Then click Create Trigger. And that's it. Finally, choose whether survey responses should be added as private notes and tagged in Zendesk. And save! Now your survey is ready to be sent automatically whenever the ticket is closed, helping you collect customer feedback with zero manual work.